Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Admiral miter saw. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews to deals. Yeah, pretty much I went to the parking lot sale on, not the parking lot sale, it's the Black Friday sale. And they had this item on sale. They originally, I don't know if you guys could see the tag, but it is $150. And it was 50% off on Sunday, so I did get this 50% off. I got it for, what is it, $75. So for the looks of it, it looks pretty good. It looks in pretty good shape. Looks like it's hardly used. It does have a blade back here. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it does have a brand new blade in a box. That's what it looks like. We're gonna go ahead and pretty much unwrap this and see if it works, test it out. Alright, if you guys see right here closely, we do have a blade. Looks like it's new. It may have been used once or twice, but it looks fairly new. Alright, from the looks of it, still looks brand new. Does have the plastic cover in there, so we're going to be installing the blade. It says blade construction, Admiral construction, 60-tooth 12-inch blade. Arbor size 1 inch, fine finish. Alright, this is the sliding part. Alright, to change the blade, all you gotta do is take this out. The screw right here, take it out. Pop this out, should stay in. Should stay up like that. What I did is I hold the tab with one hand and the other one with this hand, like that. And I just turn it on like if you're tightening it, but you're actually loosening it. So it's the other way around. And then I guess you just put the blade in there. Alright, once you got the blade in there, you can put this back on. Like I said, it's backwards. I was actually doing it the right way, but it is backwards. You can lock it with your right hand. Alright, once you got the blade in there, well, also when you're putting the blade, make sure the teeth are actually going towards the saw itself. So the letters on this side. Once you put that in there, you can put this down. And then you can put this back. Just make sure it's snug in there. Nothing's coming loose. Same thing with this one. Alright, looks like we got clearance. Make sure you inspect it, nothing loose. Everything's flush, the metals are flush, there's no gaps. And you're good to go. That's the way the saw looks. Pretty nice saw. Got the bag right there. I'm actually going to try and put my vacuum in there. See if I can stick my vacuum and vacuum all the sawdust. But yeah, it's just a nice rubber grip here. You got it looks like a safety, so you won't pull the trigger. You have to pull this and then pull the trigger. Then you got an on and off button here. It looks like we got a light on and off. Then we got a laser. So lights on the right, lasers on the left. I don't know if you guys can look at it. And then we got some stops here, some extendables. So you can just pull it out like that, turn it back in there, and then you can raise this and use it as a stop. Oh, and by the way, I used a 1/2 inch for the blade, so it was a 1/2 inch. But yeah, you could raise this and use it as a stop. Me personally, I like this extended, so I'm just gonna extend it. That's just the way I like it. In case I ever have to use the longer part, then. But yeah, overall it looks like pretty nice, solid. Does stop at several of the degrees. Just smell a little bit the brushes and everything. But it's actually normal that you can see the blades, I mean the brushes, the smell of the brushes. Let's go look at it from this side. Looks really nice. We got the switch for the lights, so we do have an LED light at the bottom, if you guys see there. So that's an LED light. Then we got a laser. Disconnecting the bag, and I'm going to connect a vacuum. My rigid vac just fits right in there, so I don't have to put any adjustments or any adapters. So if it's just right in there like a glove, and it goes right inside the hole there, and that is my rigid vac. I love my rigid vac. But yeah, that is the attachment for the vacuum, and I'm just gonna do a quick cut, make sure that everything works. It's pretty straight, and if I do need to do any adjustments, I will be doing some adjustments later, and I'll show you guys. I'll probably make another video if I need to make some adjustments. And then I'm cutting a 45 degree there, just make sure, testing all the angles. Feels like a pretty good saw. Anyways, I really like the upgrade from my Chicago Electric. I still think it's a DIY saw. Would like to have been upgraded to the Hercules, but this is all I could afford now. So definitely a great saw. Just wanted to share this with you guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.